You have used a yellow pencil your entire life. You have never once stopped to ask why it is yellow, not blue, not red, not green, always yellow. The yellow pencil has been the global standard for over 130 years. The color was not an accident. It was not a random factory decision. It was a deliberate choice that connects to Chinese royalty, a World's Fair, and one of the most successful marketing moves in history. The story starts in 1565 in Borrowdale, England. Miners discovered a strange black material underground that left dark marks on almost any surface. They thought it was a form of lead. It was actually graphite, pure, soft, and perfect for marking surfaces. It was immediately valuable and immediately in demand. Craftsmen began encasing the graphite in wooden holders to make it easy to hold and use. The pencil was born. Simple, practical, and unlike anything that existed before it. Germany, Austria, and France all began manufacturing pencils. Each country competed to produce the highest quality graphite core. The smoothness of the mark, the consistency of the line, these were the battlegrounds of the pencil industry. By the 19th century, one source of graphite stood above all others: China. Chinese graphite was finer, purer, and more consistent than anything found in Europe. Whoever could use it had a genuine competitive advantage, and one Austrian company decided to make sure the whole world knew they had it. In 1790, a man named Joseph Hartmuth founded a pencil company in Vienna, Austria. It quickly became one of the most respected pencil manufacturers in all of Europe. The company eventually named its flagship pencil the koh-i-noor, after the famous diamond, to communicate one thing above all else: this product is extraordinary. In Chinese culture, yellow has been the color of royalty and the emperor for thousands of years. Ordinary citizens were forbidden from wearing it. Yellow meant power. Yellow meant the highest possible status. The company saw an opportunity. Their pencils used Chinese graphite, the finest in the world. Painting them yellow would tell every customer exactly that without a single word of explanation. The yellow color was a signal. It told the buyer, this pencil uses Chinese graphite. This is not an ordinary pencil. You are holding something of genuine quality and prestige. Then came the 1893 World's Fair in Chicago. Over 27 million people attended. Every major company on Earth used it to launch their most important products. Koh-i-noor brought their yellow pencil and introduced it to the world. The yellow pencil stood out immediately. While other pencils came in plain wood or dark finishes, the bright golden yellow caught the eye from across the exhibition floor. People stopped. People noticed. The message was clear without needing translation. Yellow meant China. China meant the finest graphite. The finest graphite meant the best pencil. The color carried the entire marketing argument inside itself. The yellow pencil was an immediate success. Orders came in from across the United States and Europe. Koh-i-noor had not just sold a pencil, they had established a color as a symbol of quality. American pencil companies took notice immediately. If yellow meant quality, they needed yellow too. Within years, manufacturers across the United States were producing yellow pencils to compete. Companies like Eberhard Faber in the United States began producing yellow pencils almost immediately after the World's Fair. The trend moved from prestige product to mass market faster than almost anyone expected. By the early 1900s, yellow pencils were in every classroom. American factories were producing millions of yellow pencils annually. What had started as a premium signal from one Austrian company had become the default appearance of every pencil sold anywhere in the world. Yellow no longer just meant China or premium graphite. It now meant pencil. The color and the object had merged completely in the public mind. Buying a pencil meant buying something yellow. Today, 75% of all pencils sold in North America are still yellow, not because of Chinese graphite, not because of royalty, because a color decision made 130 years ago never found a reason to change. When people picture a pencil, they picture yellow, not the shape, not the eraser, the color first. That automatic association is the most powerful thing a brand can achieve, and it happened over a century ago. You can buy pencils in every color now, but the standard writing pencil is still yellow. Partly tradition, partly because yellow is easy to spot in a drawer or pencil case, partly because 130 years of habit is nearly impossible to break. From Chinese emperors to school desks, same color. Next time you pick up a yellow pencil, you are holding 130 years of history, a color chosen to honor Chinese royalty, used to signal premium graphite, copied by an entire industry, and never let go. The yellow pencil is the same color it was at the 1893 World's Fair. Nothing changed. The history just got buried underneath 130 years of habit until nobody thought to ask why anymore. Subscribe to Simple Things, Hidden Truths. Every day, we find the story hiding inside the thing you walk past every single day without ever stopping to question it. You will never look at a yellow pencil the same way again.